Good morning to our respected HM Anila teacher, my teachers and my dear friends. First of all, let me say the importance of this day. As you know, Swami Vivekananda, an extraordinary person, is an ideal role model for the youth because of his inspirational role in the building of our nation during Indian independence. Thus, National Youth Day is observed on 12th January to celebrate the birthday of Swami Vivekananda. On the occasion of National Youth Day, I am Sitara Rahman from 6th C. Welcome you all for the pleasant morning assembly. Let's start the day with prayers to thank the God.
Attention! Stand it is. Attention!
Feeling the presence, feeling the grace, feeling the radiance. You are my source of faith and strength. You are my path and destination, and I'm always connected to you. Nothing of me and everything of you. Lead me higher, lead me deeper, lead me beyond, lead me to you.
Thanks, Shivanandana. Pledge is the way to aware our duties to the nation, so I call up on Riduna to say the pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Along lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Thank you. A small positive thought can change a life, so I invite Arafi for today's thought of the day.
Attention! Stand it is.
Good morning to all of you. Today's thought is every day is another chance to change your life. Ups and downs are part of our life. Without ups and downs, our life is meaningless. A person who is very thirsty can only understand value of a drop of water. We always get new chance to change your life. Every new day is a new chance for us to do better. Don't regret on past. Concentrate on new beginning. Do your best. Every new day is just like a blank paper. You have to write on it. You have to fill it. So, if you really want to do better, listen carefully, practice more, be confident, be happy and be positive. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you. Now I would like to invite Srihari B to update us about current happenings.
Good morning, I am Srihari J. Today's headlines. The state government has ruled out night curfew and weekend lockdown despite the rise in COVID-19 infections. Despite the surge in COVID-19 cases, the Tamil Nadu government on Monday allowed the conduct of Jallikattu. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh tested positive for COVID-19. Myanmar court sentences Aung San Suu Kyi to 4 years more in jail. Chinese Foreign Minister proposed a forum on the development of Indian Ocean island countries. Today's sports news. New Zealand cricketer Ajaz Patel won the ICC Player of the Month award for December. Bharat Subramaniam, who became a grandmaster at the age of 14, is another young knight rises in Indian chess. Kohli is back as India takes on South Africa in decider at Cape Town. Rise, awake, and stop not until the goal is reached. Words of Swami Vivekananda. Today is January 12th, the National Youth Day, the birthday of our great social reformer Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was born on January 12, 1863 in a Bengali family. His real name was Narendranath Datta. His birthday is celebrated as National Youth Day in India. He was a symbol of high thinking and simple living. He loved India very much. His message to the youth of India was be strong and fearless. His father's name was Sri Vishwanath Datta and mother was Bhuvaneshwari Devi. He was an extra talented in swimming, wrestling, etc. From childhood onwards, he was showing intellectual power by asking unexpected questions and thinking. Vivekananda's fame helped him to establish the Ramakrishna mission in many places. The mission runs many schools and hospitals. It helps poor people in many ways. He was also very brave. He believed education is the manifestation of perfection already in men. All of Vivekananda's speeches had a similar undertones, that of religious harmony and tolerance. He went to the land of heaven in 4th July 1902. Today's news is concluding. Thank you.
Thank you. Now I invite Anand to recite a small beautiful poem.
Good morning to respected teachers and my dear friends. Myself Anand Krishna in 6th standard. I am going to recite a poem named Stopping by the Woods on a Snowy Evening by Robert Frost. This is one of the world's best poems filled with the nature and wild imagery. Those woods, these are I think I know, his house in the village though. He will not see me stopping here to watch his wood fill up with snow. My little horse must think it queer to stop without a farmer's house near, between the woods and a frozen lake, the darkness evening of the year. He gives his harness bells a shake to ask if there is some mistake. The only other sounds the sweep of easy wind and downy flakes. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promised to keep, and smiles to go before sleep, and smiles to go before I sleep. Thank you.
Thank you. Here we are going to present a small skit on parts of speech. Let's watch and enjoy.
Hi, I'm English. I'm the queen of language. I have 8 children. I want you to meet my children. All children, come lead me. Meet my children.
The first child of English I am now. I am a name of person, place or thing. For example, Rahul is my best friend. India is my country. Bag, I have my own bag. I am the second child of English. I am Prana. I replace my elder sister now. For example, he is a good boy. She is the beautiful girl. It is the most beautiful teacher. We are the oldest students of 6th C. I am the third child of English. I am very active. Most sentences is incomplete without me. And my examples are dance, group, and jump.
I am the fourth child of English. I am an adjective. I always come before my sister now. Beautify her and qualify her. My examples are smart children, beautiful garden, tall teacher, tall boy.
I am the fifth child of English. I am an adverb. I modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. You can recognize me easily because I end with ly.
My examples are quickly, run quickly, easily. You can do it easily.
Child of English. I am
position. I always stand before my sister now. I tell the position of the noun. For example, on. We are on the stage. In. We are in the school. Out. The naughty boy is out of the class.
I am the seventh child of English. I am the conjunction. I am always knowing two words or two phrases or two clauses. For example, when I go to school, I feel very happy. But Radha is a good girl. But Rohan is naughty. If you work hard, you will win.
The eighth child of English. I am intersection. I am very emotional. I express emotions. For example,
Oh, we are very happy today. Alas, I have lost my money. Hurrah! India have won the match.
Wow, I am beautiful. I am the most spoken language in the world. Hope you all enjoyed to see my children. Thank you.
Thank you all. Now let's get ready for the national anthem.
Attention. Stand at ease. Attention.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जाहे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
With this, we are dispersing the assembly. I hope all of you enjoyed it. Thank you and have a nice day.